Hello world, Brian Moser here. Today I'm going to be telling you guys, giving you some tips before you major in dental hygiene. This is for my viewers who are planning on majoring in the wonderful major called dental hygiene. So, straight to the point. Number one, this is very important when you major in dental hygiene. Make sure you are comfortable with sitting in the chair. And what do I mean by sitting in the chair? I'm talking about the chair where they clean your teeth, they take x-rays, they use all types of dental instruments on your teeth. If you're a person who has anxiety, which a bunch of you guys do, and girls, it's pretty best to not major in dental hygiene if you have a severe anxiety of it, because, you know, we peers have to operate on each other. That's what we're taught to do. Anyways, number two, make sure you take as many prerequisites as you can. Usually, most medical majors require, they have a program, a competitive one. Right now, I'm not currently in the dental hygiene program. Yeah, so I don't know why I'm giving the advice, you may be asking. But I'm talking off of experience. My first year, I have been having to take prerequisites: English, college classes, communications, chemistry, biology. Like, usually, it's mostly science classes. I only have like 3 non-science classes that I had to take, which was English, math, communicate, and sociology. So that's 4. Make sure you stack up on those, because when you stack up on them, the program, it's a separate program. So you apply to that program and you get, you see whether or not you get admitted. Usually you could apply without the prerequisites, but the problem is your life is going to be a pain in the motherfucking ass, because you are going to have to take prerequisites or your general ed classes while performing and cleaning teeth and doing all that, because the dental, how do I explain this to you? The dental classes are very, very different from gen ed and papers, just regular papers. Yeah, you have to study for exams. You have to learn about anatomy of the teeth, all that, like layers and stuff. But that's usually not too bad unless, you know, you struggle with biology, which if you do, I don't know what to say. So anyways, make sure you rack up all your prerequisites, because it's going to make your life very easy in the program. You'll be able to breathe very happily, and you'll be able to live very happily. Another thing, all right, number 3, this is also very important. The dental hygiene program is like a full-time job. You have to be there. You have to have at least less than 10 hours of free time outside of school. Because what they like to do in those medical programs is, especially nursing, I heard, they like to call you up to send you off campus to a medical site or like a hospital. They do that with dental hygienists in my program. If I'm sleeping in the middle, let's say I'm having the best sleep of my life, I get a phone call at 6 a.m. Hey, Mr. Durovic, we need you at this clinic for dental hygiene. It's for some drill. I don't know what they call it. I'll edit it in. It's like some drill or like some dental hygiene thing where you have to go to a clinic and you have to. I think it's an observation. I forgot what it's called. So they could call you up. So you better get ready for that, because that's gonna be a big pain in the ass. I'll be hearing that all the time. I don't know how true it is that they call you in the middle of the night or whatever, which they usually don't. They usually call, like, I think it's past like 7 a.m. or like 7 a.m. through maybe 5 p.m. I don't know. That's around the time they would call you if they need an emergency or to go off clinic. Another thing is you're going to have to pay you're pretty much going to have to pay for your own dental instruments. For me, I have to pay $4,000 for dental instruments. That includes the brushes, the floss, whatever it's called. I don't even know the names of it anymore. They have like some complicated names, but you have to buy 4,000 of instruments. And yeah, make sure you keep that in mind, because those instruments, they're very expensive, and they're so easy to break too. I don't know if you guys ever operated one, but yeah. Number five, make sure you're passionate about dentistry. I feel like a lot of people who go for dental hygiene nowadays just want a comfortable life because it's a very comfortable job. You work 3-4 days a week depending on how you are. You could work part-time, you can intern. And dental hygiene is a very, very good like job. You get free health, whatever those healthcare benefits, all that benefits and stuff. You get paid vacation, and you get a lot of free time too. So when you're a dental hygienist, you get a lot of things. You get a lot of benefits. Only problem is if you're not passionate about it, if you don't like to clean people's teeth, if you don't like, going inside people's mouths, paws, just I would maybe you should stick to something other medical because a lot of medical stuff people are squeamish to. So I know I had a person who tried to do dental hygiene, but he was too squeamish to go into people's teeth because the oral area is pretty dirty and has a lot of bacteria. So if you're passionate about dentistry and you wanna become a dental hygienist or a dentist or any of the above, orthodontist, endodontist, whatever, any of them, then pursue it. Because for me, I'm very passionate about it. I'm learning a lot about the dentistry, anatomy, and everything. So I'm getting really prepared before my actual dental classes. And yeah, number 6. For the program requirements, I already got over the prerequisites. What my school does, I don't know about all schools, is you need a pre-admission seminar. That's where you go to a seminar, if you guys know, and you go in a room. It's basically the CEO and like the secretaries, all of that for the dental hygiene department. And they show you like they show you, teach you whatever, what to expect, what to do, what your GPA should be, what else, and what is listen. I don't know. I'm missing a few because I'm gonna be honest with you. I haven't been to my seminar yet. I actually missed out on it to an emergency. But I know it gives you very important details about dental hygiene programs. So make sure you get that before planning to do dental hygiene because it benefits a lot. They teach you a lot of stuff and they pretty much help you get through the program because with that at my school, OCCC, I think it's triple C, you have to go to the seminar and then you get accepted. But the seminar has this expiration date where after 3 years of the seminar, you have to attend again. Another thing about the seminar is you need observation hours. Said that wrong. That's basically where you have to go to the dental hygiene clinic. Anyone. I have pretty chill dental hygienists, dentists in general, so I could do that easily. But usually people do it at the school, and what you do is you go in there, you say, hey, I want to observe what you guys do. And then you have to be in there for a certain amount of hours. It's kind of like community service, I like to call it. And you basically go in there, you rack up your hour in there, however much you need. And you have a registered dental hygienist sign your paper saying, yeah, my student was here, or my intern, whatever they say on it. I'm going to make sure I edit all of this. I'm going to show you guys the sheets so you guys can understand. It's going to be for my school, but which is probably going to be better if you guys are planning on going. Like any of you guys in Orange County that are watching this, consider this is a very, very lenient school, hygiene school compared to other schools. I was going to go to, I'm getting a little off topic, but I was going to go to, I forgot what university it's called, Farmingdale College. I was going to go to Farmingdale University for dental hygiene, but that's a pain in the ass because you have to take 4 years to do this and that. You get a bachelor's in it, and there's almost little to no difference. Like it's so similar, but bachelor's and dental associate, because with a dental hygiene associates, it's pretty much the same. I mean, it's like I don't know how to explain it to you guys. It's like the bachelor's, it might seem powerful, but when you have a certificate to be a dental hygienist, I don't think it matters if you have a bachelor's or not. So you shouldn't be too worried about that if you guys are worried about getting bachelor's in dental hygiene. Yeah, but that also adds on to the next thing. Yeah, just make sure you go to a good dental hygiene school. My dental hygiene school is really good and lenient. Yeah, I pretty much don't have to take as much genetic classes. I mean, I hate taking them because I really want to get into dentistry. That's something I really want to do. But unfortunately, that's life is full of wants and desires. I wanted to spend my life with my little brother. I'm joking. Yeah, Brian Moser moment. And what else should I add on? I think I've pretty much gone over everything else. If you guys have any questions in the comments, you could let me know. I'll be sure to answer them. I'm very passionate about dental hygiene. If you guys need help, any of you majoring, it's usually girls that are majoring in dental hygiene. That's also another thing. This is probably a really quick one. It's just like a bonus thing. For you guys, mainly majoring in dental hygiene, it's the ratio to girl to boy is very, very high. It's like 15 to 3 or 50. I had one one of my friends, he majored, and he was the only guy in his class for I forgot what dental class it was. So if you guys are, you know, socially awkward, socially incapable, whatever it is, like me, I'm a Brian Moser archetype, so I don't really care because Brian Moser doesn't care. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below for anything about the dental hygiene program or major. I'm mainly talking about dental hygiene major in New York, so I know it's different from state. I know in New Jersey they do things very different than in New York when you go for dental hygiene. But yeah, that's pretty much that's pretty much it. That's all you pretty much need to know before majoring in dental hygiene. Just make sure you do good. Make sure you have a certain GPA. And yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Brian Moser checking out.